Hi, my name is Dakota Stike, and I'm going to be doing my speech about my demonstrative speech, and this is the revised version. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the cell phone and how it can help you as a college student and or a person in general. So, there are many different apps that you can use on the cell phone. It could be an Android, could be an Apple. Both of them have the same apps generally. But the calendar app is an app that you can place all of your appointments, your schedules for class, whatever you need so that you know when all of your appointments or stuff is. And you can also set it to send you reminders about an hour or a day before to remind you that this is coming up and that it needs to be done or you need to go to it. The phone is easy to use, you get things done, and it's intuitive. It's easy to use because you click a couple buttons. You click if you want to go onto an app, you click the app, and then you click the day that you want to select to put something on there, and then you type in whatever it is, put a time on there or a reminder, and you get things done pretty easy. It's simple, it takes about a minute maximum usually, and it's intuitive. It's just I wouldn't say fun in general, but it's just easy to use and it's just very smart. Now, the clock app. The clock app is almost like the backside of the calendar app. You can show you the world clock, or you can use it as a stopwatch or a timer, or you can set alarms so that you can get up at a certain time during the day for either class and or say an appointment or an interview, such for maybe an internship or a job opportunity in Harrisburg or wherever you live. Overall, the cell phone is easy to use, it's intuitive, and it's just an overall great product because it has so many apps that can help you as a college student. And it's definitely improved my life over the years as they've gotten better. And now it keeps me updated with schoolwork, and I can set my alarms for online classes during this COVID-19 thing. And it allows me to keep track of all the things that I need to do before the school year ends. So, thank you for listening.